Hey there, science fans. Have you ever looked in a mirror and wondered, what am I made of? Well, get ready to have your mind blown. Everything you see around you, from your pet goldfish to that delicious slice of pizza, is made up of tiny building blocks called cells. That's right, cells are like Lego bricks for all living things. They're so small you need a microscope to see them, but don't let their size fool you. These little guys are bursting with activity, working together to keep you and every other living organism alive and kicking. So what exactly goes on inside these miniature marvels? Think of a cell like a bustling city. It has a strong outer border, a control center calling the shots, power plants providing energy, and factories churning out important stuff. Pretty cool, huh? Let's zoom in and explore the fascinating world within a cell. Get ready for a wild ride. First stop, the cell membrane. This flexible outer layer acts like a security guard controlling what goes in and out of the cell. Just like a bouncer at a club, the cell membrane is picky. It lets in important nutrients like oxygen and sugar, which the cell needs to survive and thrive. But hold on, the cell membrane also keeps out harmful stuff like toxins and waste products. It's all about maintaining order and balance inside the cell. Think of it as a two-way street, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Without this important barrier, the cell would be in chaos, kind of like a house without any walls. Now let's head to the heart of the cell, the nucleus. This is the control center, the big boss, the head honcho. You could even call it the cell's very own brain. Inside the nucleus, you'll find DNA, the genetic material that carries all the instructions for building and running the entire cell. Think of DNA as a giant instruction manual, kind of like a cookbook with recipes for everything the cell needs to make. The nucleus carefully guards this precious information and sends out messages to other parts of the cell, telling them what to do and when to do it. It's like a master conductor leading an orchestra, making sure everything works in perfect harmony. Section 4. The cell's powerhouse, mitochondria. Hold on tight, science fans, because we're about to enter the cell's powerhouse, the mitochondria. These bean-shaped organelles are like tiny energy factories, constantly working to keep the cell fueled up and ready for action. They take in nutrients, break them down, and convert them into usable energy, kind of like a power plant, turning coal into electricity. And this energy, called ATP, is essential for everything the cell does, from growing and dividing to moving and communicating. Without mitochondria, the cell would be like a car without an engine, going nowhere fast. So next time you're feeling energetic, give a shout out to your amazing mitochondria. They're the real MVPs. Section 5. The cell's workshop, cytoplasm, and beyond. Now imagine a bustling workshop filled with tools and machines working tirelessly. That's the cytoplasm. This jelly-like substance fills the cell and provides a platform for all the other organelles to do their thing. It's like the cell's very own construction site. And speaking of organelles, we can't forget about the ribosomes. These tiny protein factories are scattered throughout the cytoplasm, diligently following instructions from the nucleus to assemble proteins, the building blocks of life. Think of proteins as the bricks and mortar of the cell, essential for building and repairing tissues, transporting molecules, and carrying out countless other vital functions. But that's not all. The cell is a complex and fascinating world with many other amazing organelles working together in perfect harmony. We've got the endoplasmic reticulum, the Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, and more. Each one plays a crucial role in keeping the cell alive and functioning properly. So there you have it, folks. The incredible world of the cell, a microcosm of life itself. From the protective membrane to the powerful mitochondria, every part of the cell works together in perfect harmony. A symphony of molecular machinery that never ceases to amaze. Remember, we're all made of these tiny wonders, trillions of cells working together to keep us alive and kicking. So next time you take a breath, eat a snack, or simply marvel at the world around you, take a moment to appreciate the incredible world of cells, the building blocks of life itself.